everyone, it's Deb back again. I have got an unboxing of the November, get the month right this time, November Kitaholic Kits. Been a bit absent on my channel. We've had a lot of things going on, so I will be uploading some videos. They might not be in order, but they have already, most of them are already up on the Kitaholic Kits YouTube channel, and I'll leave the playlist to that below. So there's I've got quite a few Project Life process videos there, a few scrapbook, a few off the page and things like that. So I'll leave that list, those links below, along with the Kitaholic Kits Facebook and their website, and also their YouTube channel, along with the playlist that I've made of all my process videos. Let's unbox this and see what we got. Mixed media kit. We got our KD mixed media stencil, and that is what it looks like. That is really cool. An example of how to use it. We also got some Colour Blast colour paste in Lovely Lilac and Dusty Charcoal. And the great thing about these is that not only can you use it as a paste through a stencil, through your stencils and that, you can mix this with water and paint with it. So I'm excited to try that with this one. I didn't know you could do that. So that is the mixed media kit for November. This is the Pocket Page or Project Life kit. So we got, I love these. These are Pink Fresh Studio Indigo Hills 2 Mini Puffy Alpha stickers, 432 alphas in there. So we got the purpley one, an aqua one, or aqua green, coral, and a navy. So they are perfect for pocket pages. Sorry about the glare. We've got our November acrylic word from Corbett Creations. We also got phrase stickers, 44 pieces, Indigo Hills, Pink Fresh Studio. So lots of phrase stickers there. Very pretty colours. Trying to do it without the glare. So there's that. Oh, we got some clear stickers from Cocoa Vanilla Studio, and it's the Midnight Collection. I love the clear stickers. So we've got some words down here. Oh, there's a backside too. Oh, I like the paint swatches. So there is that. Look at that pretty floral there. We got 2 cut apart sheets from Cocoa Vanilla Studio Midnight. This one is called All the Things. Oh, isn't that so pretty? And then you've got the cut aparts on that side, and this one's got the 4x6 and the 3x4, and you always get the little labels on this cut apart, which is cool. 4x6, 3x4. This one is called Mixed Blessing. That is the back side. It's, hopefully it's going to show up. Yeah, I think you can see the pattern there. And then there's that side. I love this one. It's so pretty. So we got the 4x6 cards, and they're all from, I believe, Cocoa Vanilla Studio Midnight Collection. So there should be 2 of each. So I'm just going to flip through quickly. So pretty. Oh, come on, I can't get it. That one, and then there is that one. Okay. And last but not least, the exclusive die cuts, which there is so many. You've got words, you've got labels, heaps of things to help embellish your pocket pages. So that is the pocket page kit. Okay, onto the main kit. We got doily. Okay, we've got die cut ephemera midnight cocoa vanilla studio, and that is, look on the back, it's a very pretty collection. And there's labels, florals, frames, so pretty. What is this? Chipboard pieces. That's what you get in this pack, and you get 24 pieces, and that's also from the Midnight collection. We also got some flares from the Midnight collection. Got Bryn thickers, and they're gold foam thickers. I love them, they're so pretty. Quite a small kind of font, really. You could use that in your pocket pages easily. I've used bigger ones in my pocket pages, so these would be good for project life. Oh, and looks like we got 2 doilies actually, and one of my chipboards has fallen out. Okay. Oh, I'm sweating. It's stinking hot. Queensland's going through a heat wave. So these are all, yep, Cocoa Vanilla Studio Midnight. So I'm going to quickly go through them. This one is beautiful, the floral, which is called Bloom and Grow. This one is Shine Bright. Inspired. Oh, that's pretty, that side too. The watercolor. Focus, come on. That is so pretty. Okay, we've got Inky Depths. That one. This one has to be my favorite. Sunset Strip. So pretty. Sophisticated. Oh, you could watercolor them. It's all the florals, just the outlines of the florals. Moonlight. And that is it. I've got the 2 doilies and the exclusive die cut. So all different things to help document and decorate your pages. They turned out so pretty. Butterflies, words, labels, lots of things in there. So that is the main kit. Okay, last one, the embellishment kit. So we got Indigo Hills 2 Pink Fresh Studio enamel dots. Oh, I like that purple there. Oh, so pretty. So you get 84 enamel dots there. Indigo Hills 2 by Pink Fresh. Ephemera pack, 34 pieces, and it all ties in really well with the Midnight collection. We got some Lucky Dip foil stickers. Cocoa Vanilla Studio accessory stickers, Midnight. So 6x12 sheet of stickers, cardstock stickers. And we got some chipboard stickers, Indigo Hills 2, Pink Fresh Studio, and you get 36 pieces on that one. Lots of florals. So that is it for me today, guys. So don't forget to check out the links that I'll leave below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.